See the differences when it comes to t-shirt print, digital printing, screen printing, transfer printing. We get asked all the time, what are the best ways to print onto a t-shirt and what are the different methods? Generally speaking, there are 3 different methods to brand onto t-shirts. The first method is a digital print. This is an example of a digital print. As you could tell, you could see full color gradients on the print results, and we recommend digital print for runs under 25 garments and under. The second way to brand onto t-shirts is the most popular. It is screen printing. Screen printing we recommend for runs over 25 pieces, and for screen printing we can only brand using spot color prints, so no color gradients, no photographic finishes. And finally, the third most popular way to brand onto t-shirts is using transfer print. This is an example of a transfer print. We recommend transfer prints for garments over 10 pieces and over. And what you do get is a full color print result. So you can print photographic finishes and the results are spectacular. It is one of our favorite ways to brand onto t-shirts. So there you have it, the 3 most popular ways to custom print onto t-shirts.